Down. All right. So what we're going to do today is we're going to teach Cooper to pick up a newspaper. That is our goal. I had somebody ask me about teaching his dog to pick up a newspaper because he has a bad back and sometimes it's hard for him to bend down. So his dog already knows to bring a toy back, which is a total advantage. So we're going to use that. Cooper can bring the toy back. Not always, but he does. So we're going to use Cooper to mimic this gentleman's dog, and we're going to see how this goes. I may be going through this kind of fast, but sometimes each little step may take you a week. It may take you 3 days. It may take you 15 minutes. It may take you a month, kind of depending on where your dog is at. So I think Cooper will probably get through this pretty quick. So we're just going to try it with a toy. And we have our clicker and we have our treats because Cooper is food motivated. And we have Frank in the kennel because it's very difficult to work with 2 dogs. So let's see how Cooper does. So he touched it. So that's a good start. Let's grab this toy here. He touches it. That's awesome. But I have to get my clicker ready. And I just got a handful of treats. So you can teach him touch, yes, and give him a treat. And if he doesn't have his butt to the camera, that might be better. Yes! And so he actually picked it up and brought it over to me. Let's see if he'll get it again. I'm going to try not to use any commands. And so he did pick it up and brought it halfway to me, so that's good. So what I'm telling him is that when he actually picks it up and brings it, good job. That's going to get him a reward. Yes. So he's already picking that up pretty quick. So like I said, this part may take you a week. It may take you a couple of days. However, be patient. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a command in it. And I'm going to use pick it up. Pick it up. Yes. Now my next goal is that he's going to bring it to me. Pick it up. Yes. Because right now all he's doing is just picking it up. Pick it up. Yes. Bring it. Yes, good job. So work with that with your dog right now. Just to touch the toy, click and treat. And then if he picks it up, awesome. Use the command pick it up. If he puts it in his mouth and brings it a couple of times, you can start throwing in the bring it command. So the goal is that he actually brings it to me. I'm gonna want him to put it in my hand, but we're gonna get to that. But I'm gonna work with Frank, so you'll be able to see two different dogs. One that actually will get the toy pretty quick. The other one that may do it or may not. Sometimes Frank surprises me. So stay tuned. All right, so we're working with Frank. Frank likes to play keep away with most of the toys, so let's see how he does. So let's just get him to touch it. Yes. So he understands that that's what we're going for. Yes. So I've done this a couple times with the dogs, so they already know to touch things. They get a reward. Yes. I'm going to give him a little bit to kind of figure it out. He knows how to get the reward. Yes. Yes. So Frank may take a little bit of time. Yes. Let's go. Pick it up. He's only interested in food. Get it. Yes. So Frank's just going to take a little bit of time. That's okay. Get it. Get your toy. Get it. Yes. Get it. Yes. Get it. There we go. So with Frank, as you can see, he's not wanting to pick up the toy, but he does get the toy. You will get a toy. So sometimes what you may have to do is try to have treats on hand, and when your dog does pick up a toy, that's when you can capture that, and you can use that when we do these training sessions. Good boy. Yes. Good boy.